Our topic is quantum mechanics. Introduction. If we read anything, we know the reason why we read that. We do any work, we can know why we do it. Similarly, we did quantum mechanics, so we know why we read it. After 1900, 1900 से पहले क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स का कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं था. तब क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, thermodynamics are exist. But some physical phenomenon like photoelectric effect, black body radiation are discovered. It cannot describe by physical concept that are exist in this time. Mainly black body radiation and photoelectric effect are not explained. To explain 1900, 14 December 1900, Max Planck introduced a paper on black body radiation. In this paper, he assumed that energy proportional to frequency. It changed the whole concept of physics. After Max Planck, we know energy E sum half kT. It is the equivalent of energy. It discussed in thermal physics. But in modern physics, E sum h mu. It is the Planck relation. H one Planck constant. In 1905, Einstein explained photoelectric effect by this relation E sum h mu. We everybody learn it in class 12. After some year, 1923, Compton effect, 1913 Bohr atomic model. It depends on quantum concept. Next 1923 Compton. Compton discover Compton effect. What is Compton effect? We learn it in next video, but I tell you about that. A X-ray, wave function, but wave X-ray collide with the electron E, electron scatter and X-ray scatter in this direction, electron in this direction. It is the elastic collision. But we know that elastic collision happen between particle and particle. So it proved that X-ray has particle character. In another way, we told that wave has particle character. In 1923, Division-Germer gave a experiment. It's proved that particle of wave nature. Planck theory, Einstein, A.H. Compton discussed that wave has particle character, but Division-Germer discussed that particle has wave character. In 1927, Schrödinger, Einstein Schrödinger, give the Schrödinger equation. It is the main quantum mechanics. Planck theory, Einstein, A.H. Compton develop modern physics. In this portion of modern physics, Schrödinger equation is the quantum physics. Similarly, classical mechanics, Newton's law is the main. Similarly, Schrödinger equation is equivalent to Newton's law. Another scientist who developed quantum mechanics like Max Born, de Broglie, de Broglie hypothesis, matter wave, Heisenberg uncertainty principle is the main part of the quantum mechanics or modern physics. Thank you.